Hello guys, I'm Sri Karthik from Gossipfunda. In this video, we will discuss about what is Bixby. Bixby is invented by Samsung. It is also known as SIA, which refers to Samsung Intelligence Assistant. It is first introduced in Samsung S8 and Samsung S8 Plus. It can be accessed by voice, text or by clicking button which is given in the left side of the mobile phone. It is available only in Samsung mobile phone. Here are the tasks that Bixby can do. Bixby is able to do basic tasks like calling anyone, launching apps, set reminders, change wallpaper, and can take screenshots. It also plays a particular track or a songs. Second task, Bixby has a special feature of searching a product by accessing camera and redirect to the web pages where the products are available. Bixby also helps to do homeworks and find the names of the food dishes and can translate text with the help of camera search. So these are the uses of the Bixby. So that's it from me. Before you leave, please hit that like and subscribe button and comment if you have any queries. If you have more doubt like this, please check our official website. The link are given below in the description.